Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we will be seeing about what are the most important books you must read so that you can clear the UPSC Civil Service Exam preliminary paper. So friends, we know that the preliminary exam consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 there is the general studies paper and paper 2 is the CSAT paper. So today in this video we will be discussing about what are the books necessary for the paper 1 general studies paper of preliminary examination. So the first book is Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. This book is considered as one of the most important books of civil service examination, not only from the prelims point of view but also from the mains point of view. So it is one of the first books which you must purchase while preparing for civil service examination. And also along with that, I will tell you that you need not prepare separate notes for this book because this book contains adequate information, and also if you want to add any information you can just write down in the pages of this book, so you need not prepare separate notes for that. And the next will come to the geography part, and this geography first book which I recommend is the Certificate Physical and Human Geography by G.C. Young. This book gives you a detailed analysis of various geographical and physiological structures which are present in the earth as well as in the oceans. So if you read this book thoroughly, you will be understanding about the basics of geography questions which are asked in the preliminary paper, in the prelims and also in the mains. And similarly, you need to read the NCERT books from classes 6th to 12th. These books provide you easy and lucid explanation of the various geographical features of Earth, and these books are easy to understand. And along with these books, you must also study the Oxford Student Atlas for India. This atlas is a very necessary thing because in the recent UPSC papers you are seeing that many questions are asking about map pointing, like locations, like which cities are in which place, and arranging the cities in north to south or east to west directions. So you must have a thorough knowledge of the various important locations of the world and India. So for that, a student atlas is a must. Then we will come to the history section. For the ancient history, you must study the R.S. Sharma book, which is considered as one of the important book of ancient history because it gives you a very detailed and easy explanation. You need not prepare separate notes from this book, and whatever you find it important you can underline in this book only. Book would be the Medieval History by Satish Chandra. This book is also an important book because the medieval questions are not that difficult, but the thing is that you must have an accurate knowledge about the medieval history both in prelims and mains. So this book gives you an overall explanation, and also you must underline whatever important things you find in this medieval history book, so that you need not prepare separate notes, because again it will become a burden for you, especially when the prelims is just 3 months away. So you must underline whatever important in these history books. And the next thing is modern Indian history. For this, the Spectrum book is the best, and this book is also very short and concise and gives you the actual information necessary for clearing this examination in the prelim stage, because this book is prepared for the prelims point of view, so you will have all the necessary information at one place. And also in the ending of the book there are various events given in chronological order, so you can easily remember those. And along with these three books, you must also have a basic understanding of the NCERT history books from classes 6th to 12th. NCERT books provide a foundation for civil service examination preparation, so NCERT books is a must in both geography section and as well as history section. I have given the links to purchase all these books in the description, so you can buy from them and need not search it from here and there. And the next thing is in economy section. For economy section, the most easy book would be the Indian Economy by Sanjeev Verma. This book is short and concise and gives you the necessary information in a simple way. And also mostly the economic questions are come from newspapers and current affairs, so you must have a detailed understanding of newspapers in the economy section. You can read The Hindu and Indian Express, and also if ever any important things are there you can also read them in Live Mint. So these three newspapers and this Sanjeev Verma book is sufficient for economy. However, if you are preparing for 2021 and other future examinations, since there is time, you can go through the Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. This book is very thick book and also contains a lot of information, so you have to filter out the necessary information. Since in the 2020 prelims exam we have less time, so you should go for the Sanjeev Verma and the newspapers. Similarly, for the environment section, you can go by Environment by Shankar. This is the one-stop all for environment. However, there are very few questions from static and most of the questions are asked from dynamic, like this national park is in which area, what is the invasive alien species. So these type of questions are coming. For the environment section also, you must complement the Environment Shankar's book with the newspapers such as Down to Earth magazine is a good magazine, and also the Hindu and Indian Express. Then we will come to the art and culture section. In this art and culture, the NCERT class 11 fine arts book is a must. You must read this book page to page, and also you must underline the important information such as the places, the features of the Ajanta, Ellora, Elephanta caves, the forms of art such as the mural paintings and also the sculptures of Indus Valley civilization, and also Mathura art and the Gandhara art. So these types of thing you will be getting complete information in the NCERT class 11 fine arts book. And also if you want to supplement that information, you can go for Nitin Sanghania art and culture. That book is very comprehensive, and I think it is very difficult to study in 3 months because it contains a lot of information about various art forms like dance, music, etc. First you go through the NCERT books, and if time permits you can just skip through the Nitin Singhania book, only the important sections. And the last but not the least is you must have a 25 years topic wise solved papers like from 1995 to 2019. This will give a broad understanding about what type of questions are being asked in the exam, and you can easily analyze them. And in that pattern you can mold your preparation in such a way that you are focused upon what type of questions UPSC are asking, because the trend has now changed. UPSC wants to know how much a candidate is learning other than just reading books. He must have a broad understanding, broad overview of what is happening around the society. So to understand such exam pattern, you must have this 25 years UPSC previous solved question papers. So friends, these were the most important books that is necessary for clearing the UPSC Civil Service Examination Preliminary Paper 1 paper. I have given the links of all the books in the description below. You can go through those links and buy whatever is necessary, because time is very less, so you must hurdle up your preparation and you must focus your energy on preparing. And in this channel I will be providing more such civils related important videos. So if you like, you can subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can comment whatever doubts you have or what type of videos you want to see in the future. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.